Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, July the 28th. As you can see from the opening, our account has grown 8.64% over 2 years. That's not very exciting considering that you can get that nowadays with a simple CD. Nevertheless, we have accumulated some gains, and in the process we have built our account by buying $500 or about one share of the SPY exclusively. This is not by any means the only way to make money in the markets, but it's a very simple one with relatively low commissions, and is equivalent to what you would say a mutual fund that is based on the SPY. So why waste your money on a mutual fund paying all the commissions and etc. when you can get the same amount of results here in this approach? So let's take a quick look at the chart of the SPY, because I have been describing what seems to be a bullish market, and you can see yesterday was rather a strong day down. That's a candlestick that I don't like seeing, which is opens higher and closes lower. Fortunately, it seems to be rebuilding, but you can tell by my channel here that we still have a few let's say couple of, I would say 20, 30, something like that, points still to go to hit this previous high. This big bar coincides with the previous high. If you take a look at the weekly chart, you'll see that this was here a lower high compared to this one here. Okay, so I have that marked, and if this market is to go to that previous high without sufficient strength, it may falter and then form what is called a double top, which would be a bearish situation. But for now, it's just slowly creeping up. And now we have this bar here, which represents the previous lower high. And we have also the channel, the upper level of the channel. So we're still getting up there, right? But I'd like to see a strong move such as this one here, crossing this previous high bar in order for us to be more confident that the bear market is truly over. Right now we just have a uptrend that would seem to be indicating that the bear market is over, but no, we need confirmation by seeing this bar being crossed strongly, not just being touched, because once it touches it, it will go back down. So we don't want to see that. Regardless of that, my strategy here is to buy the S&P 500 one share every week indefinitely. So when the market was down, at first I started this account back here somewhere. So at first it goes up, great, and then goes down. Well, as it went down, I kept on buying. And what does that mean? Well, it's called dollar cost averaging, because as we add new shares one at a time, my average price also drops. And so right now my average price is $420.96, but look at the stock price. So this is why we are in very good position right now, and we have accumulated $51,673, which is not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to add one more share today, and I have $410, so that's not enough. So still, I'm just going to adjust my positions here. Remember, this is just paper trading to demonstrate what we could be making if we did that process. And obviously, it's a very simple way to trade the market. Another relatively simple way is the covered call, which I'm making a series on that, and I strongly recommend that you take a look at it because it's doing really well very quickly. has given me excellent results. So in the meantime, let's just add just the cash here, because we're going to pretend to add $500 because it's a paper trading account. It's not real. It's just for illustration purposes, and I'm going to add the $500. And now we have $910. I'm not going to use it all up to date, just the one share. So go to the Analyze tab and say Add Simulated Trades, and just click on the Ask. That gives me 100 shares. So we remove the zeros, and now we have one share, and that's $457. Pay attention to my current average price cost basis, okay? So that you see that should rise up because we are buying at a higher strike price, at a higher price. Okay, so I unlock that and lock it again, and then send. And that will be my 113th share. Keep it an eye on this $420.96. I'm going to adjust it. It's not filling. It should fill right away. Cancel, replace, unlock it, lock it again, and confirm and send. Okay, it canceled the previous. Yeah, that should fill any time now, because there it is. Okay, so let's go to the Analyze tab, and my $420.97 is now $421.30. Okay, not a big change because we have so many shares, but that's how we make sure that we have an average result there. Okay, we average it over time. And that's about it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.